What if one morning, Earth's gravity suddenly became twice as strong? Not tomorrow, not in a million years, right now. The force that keeps oceans in place, planets in orbit, and your feet on the ground suddenly doubles. Would humanity survive? Would buildings collapse? Could airplanes still fly? And what would happen to your own body in the first few seconds? This is What if gravity became 2 times stronger? Let's discuss in Counterfacts Lab. The moment gravity doubles, your body immediately notices. You don't become heavier in mass, but your weight doubles instantly. A person weighing 70 kilograms would suddenly feel like they weigh 140. Standing up becomes exhausting. Walking feels like carrying another human on your back. For some people, especially the elderly or those with heart problems, the sudden stress could be deadly. Your heart now has to work twice as hard to pump blood upward to your brain. Simple actions like climbing stairs could feel impossible. Even breathing becomes harder. Your chest muscles are now fighting against stronger gravity with every breath. Modern civilization was engineered for Earth's current gravity, not double. Every building, every bridge, every vehicle suddenly experiences twice the downward force. Some structures might survive, others wouldn't. Older buildings could begin to fail under the extra stress. Bridges would sag, roads would wear out faster, even elevators and escalators could stop functioning due to overloaded motors. Vehicles would become less efficient overnight. Engines would burn more fuel just to move. Suspension systems would compress harder than ever before. One of the biggest changes would happen above us. Airplanes rely on lift to overcome gravity. But with gravity doubled, many aircraft simply wouldn't generate enough lift to take off. Global travel could collapse within hours, cargo shipments stop, tourism ends, supply chains fail, and space travel, that becomes dramatically harder. To escape Earth's gravity, rockets already require enormous energy. Doubling gravity would make launches vastly more expensive, and some current rockets might never leave the ground. Nature would begin adapting immediately. Tall trees would struggle to support their own weight. Future forests might become shorter, thicker, stronger. Large animals would suffer the most. The heavier the creature, the harder gravity punishes it. Smaller, compact animals would have an advantage in this new world. Some birds might no longer be able to fly efficiently. The skies could grow quieter, emptier. The atmosphere itself would compress closer to Earth's surface. Air pressure near sea level would increase. Weather patterns could become more extreme and unpredictable. Ocean pressure would also rise. Deep sea environments would become even more hostile, and tides, driven partly by gravity, could behave differently as Earth's balance shifts. Survived long enough, evolution would begin shaping us for this heavier world. Future humans might become shorter, more muscular, with denser bones and stronger hearts. Athletics would change, architecture would change, even culture and daily life would evolve around the constant pressure of stronger gravity. Gravity is one of the quietest forces in the universe, invisible, constant, easy to ignore, but if it became just a little stronger, civilization itself could begin to break. The world would become slower, heavier, harsher, and every single step would remind us how fragile life on Earth truly is.